On April 13, 2016, Kobe Bryant played in his final game in the NBA. When Kobe retired, the Lakers desperately wanted to hand the torch off to another player. The Lakers drafted D'Angelo Russell that year, hoping to hand off the torch to him. But eventually, the Lakers didn't think he was the right person for it. Finally, after a few rough years, the Lakers signed the king, LeBron James, and found the superstar to take over the franchise. The Lakers thought maybe Brandon Ingram was the right partner for the king, but just like D'Lo, they thought there was someone else they could partner with him, maybe through a trade or even free agency. But then they realized the answer was already on the team. Caruso's as exciting as it gets, but not only is he an exciting player, but he has all the skill sets of former and current Lakers. Chase down blocks like LeBron James. Paint protection like Shaquille O'Neal. Sky hooks like Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Court vision like Magic Johnson. And the mid-range game of Kobe Bryant. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.